there everyone, I'm back with a new video and today we're diving into something super important for managing your social media. It's all about how to do a social media audit effectively. A social media audit is like giving your social profiles a thorough checkup. It helps you figure out what's going well, what needs improvement, and how to make your social media game stronger. Start by looking at all your social media profiles. Think of Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and the rest. Check your profile info, profile pics, and cover images. Make sure they're all up to date and look consistent across all your platforms. Next, take a deep dive into your content. Look at your posts, captions, and images. Are they in line with your brand's message and goals? And take a look at the numbers. See which posts are getting lots of likes and comments, and which ones are falling flat. Don't forget to peek at your follower demographics. Knowing who's following you can help you create content that speaks to their interest. And if you've got any followers who aren't engaging with your stuff, consider cleaning up your list. Lastly, it's always a good idea to check out your competition. See what other folks in your space are doing right and where they might be missing in the mark. It's like getting some insider tips on how to shine. And that's it! You've now got the basics down from doing a social media audit effectively and using it to step up your social media game. In a nutshell, remember that a social media audit is like your guide to navigate the world of social media. It helps you tweak your strategy, engage your audience better, and stay ahead of the competition. Thank you for joining me in today's learning adventure. Once again, thank you for watching how to do a social media audit effectively. I'll catch you in the next video where we'll continue exploring the exciting world of digital marketing.